My first project is about the relationship between music, dance, movement, and the human body. My first step of research started from the Stonewall riots, a milestone event marking the equal rights movement for LGBTQ community. When doing more research on the history of the equal rights movement for LGBTQ community, I discovered the connection between disco music and this community, as well as whacking, a unique dance form that is inseparable from queer community. I try to transform the results of the dance research into clothing. Firstly, for the fiber printing part, I created some patterns and used the Touch Designer to visualize the most iconic disco music at the time. Then I combined these results with the previously made patterns in a more dynamic way, using these as fiber printing. For the silhouettes, I made a video of myself doing a whacking dance and documented the motion tracks that my body parts created when performing the dance movements, as well as the unique shapes formed by my head, hands, and elbows according to different dance movements. I also carried out my silhouette extraction and exploration in a dynamic way that combined the relationship between the dance and the body. I used exaggerated silhouettes in this collection, aiming to provide the LGBTQ community with a sense of security through these silhouettes. I think this is a project full of dynamic elements. In the final presentation, I chose to use Clo 3D for the display instead of traditional photography, just to present it in a more dynamic way. I wish that with my project, people could gain a deeper insight into the history and the previous circumstances of the LGBTQ community and work together to build a nicer cultural and social environment for them.